Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S21 stuck on black screen. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your phone has been stuck on a black screen, like you are unable to use or your phone, you cannot see your UI UX. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So here, now to fix the black screen issue, you have a single and the best way. You have to make a forced restart, or like if your phone is stuck in black screen and unable to use your phone. Now to make a forced restart, you have to use these side buttons. So now to make a forced restart, just press and hold your volume down button and the power button for almost 15 seconds. Let's try this. You have to press and hold your volume down and the power button, and here the very first thing you might see a black screen here, so just wait for that black screen. And here once you see the black screen, you have to wait for Samsung logo here, and once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart with your phone. It will take longer than usual. You just have to wait for this. And once you have made a forced restart, your issue will be fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed in the very first try, so you can try it again to make a forced restart again. So I recommend you how to make almost three forced restart, and as I think at the second or the third restart, your issue will be completely fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.